last few days, there's been a new ramp theory about how Khufu built his pyramid. Near Amarna, they found ramps that were up to 20 degrees, steeper than they thought could be done before, that could be used to get stone out of a quarry. Now, this sounds like it could be another one of those, this could explain everything about the Great Pyramid, but let's look at it. Sure, in a quarry like this, you're going to need to have some kind of ramp to get the quarried stones out. And so they found these ramps that had staircases on each side of them at 20 degrees. So it might look something like this. But here's a problem. Okay, you don't need the long ramp, which would have been maybe a mile long. Now with a 20-degree angle, we still have to build a quarter-mile ramp that's going to have over 1 million cubic feet of stone in it. Now, how did they do that? And to top it off, if you get up here near the top, you're going to have a very narrow ramp. And it's easy to draw it like this, but that's impossible to build. Back to the drawing board, guys.